Then another interesting thing happened from that. Because what I would do with these videos is I would share them just with my patients. So I had their email list. Each week I would send them an email and say, hey, this week we've made a video about pillows, how to choose the right pillow, how to sleep on them, sleeping postures. Head on over to the website and watch that. So as it meant that my website was getting, anywhere between 200 and 300 people a week going there and watching the videos. Now, one of my patients have a friend of hers who was a producer on a morning television show, and she referred her to watch some of my videos. I then ended up a regular on this morning television show. It was called The Circle. So Channel 10 was quite a popular show for a little while there. And something happened then, and I say this humbly, instead of me wanting to go out and find patients, our practice was then positioned as the prize. So we didn't have to do the same stuff anymore because we'd built a level of authority. We'd been very generous with the information that we'd shared. They'd come to our website, there's all these videos on there, and we had become the trusted expert.